Hello YouTubers, another update of the DAUPHINE redo, and here we're going to be working on trying to get everything put back together for the rear trailing arm. So this is what we have. You're going to have an oil seal that's going to go into this block that gets bolted back on. You're going to have a spacer. You're going to have bearing, a Timken type that gets put in there. There's also a larger O-ring that goes on the outside, which I don't have, well I'll be getting. You then have a larger spacer that gets put on the inside. You also press in the rear ball bearings. Those get put in there. The C-clip, and there's a little groove on the inside. You can just see that there. Another oil seal on the back side that gets pressed in there too. And then you put in the shaft, and then there's a spacer on the shaft itself. Okay, don't forget that if you do this, you have to make sure you grease up your bearings, the shaft, the spacer on the inside, and yeah, lightly coat on the outside when you push that in. So yeah, and the next video I'll show you how I did this, and we'll try to do one part at a time. Okay, subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks again.